My name is Mark. I live in Squamish, BC. I live in a tiny little trailer at the bottom of a campground, just big enough for me, my girlfriend, and my dog, Chewy. I like fossil collecting and mainly wildlife photography. The wildlife photography gets me out in the woods with the dog, gets me hiking, gets me camping, doing things I love to do, seeing things I love to see. It's a challenge of finding an animal in its natural habitat, photographing it without disturbing it, an animal that most likely doesn't want to be seen at all. It's something I do alone a lot because mainly it's hard to find someone with the patience and willingness to hike through the muck for a few hours and sit in a marsh covered in mosquitoes with the hope that an owl will fly by and land on that branch right there. Just maybe.